Sanibonani Ninjani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kamalami Usanelisiwe, and we are back, my board members. First thing first, please make sure you subscribe and then you like the page and you leave a comment. So today we're speaking about Mihlali. Those are the training news. Mihlali Ndamase again after posted it what's it, thank you my angel. Obviously abantu they attack to Leroy ke bam attack Leroy basho ukuthi no wena ushayile uMihlali. I can push ukuthi somebody advised Leroy Sidambe ukuthi he must release a statement, and then here's a statement, right? What's released what ke nasi story uyasho Leroy lento yakhe uMihlali shadile uthi uMihlali umfonelile kanti yena beselele uthi njengoba umfonelile eselele nje uMihlali ke wadrive wayendlini like any other girl. Wafona uMihlali dololo wafona ka 75, but I can beat Mihlali's record. I have once phone now hundreds. So wafona uMihlali dololo 78 news calls wadrive ugelwa khona wanceka indodana ka Leroy wakwazi usangena endlini thutheme ngena nje wagijima ekitchen agijima Holland umbese wathi methatha umbese wagijimela ke ekamereni. According to uLeroy uthi uMihlali bezombulala befuna ukumbulala, so beza yena emzom approacher embuza ngokuthi unobufakazi obubambekayo ukuthi uLeroy uyacheat. Leroy bachithela uMihlali. Guys, I don't think I'm judging uLeroy, but nje like husband ukuthi uzohlala abafana. Hey nangempela ke uthi ke uLeroy ube epusha uMihlali ngoba ubezivikele bekuyi self defense. According to uLeroy usethi ke uMihlali akayiqali lento eyenzayo noma makhelwane bawufakazi uhlezi attacker yena amshaye especially uma ngabe under certain substances angeke awalentuzi. I mean noma substance phela if ukuthi ubesho utshwala bezothi bengabe dakiwe iphuzile sebeyakhuluma abantu bathi ama substance la ama delights kuthiwa uMihlali udla cocaine ngoba umngane noBobby Sitabane nje abe best friend, and uBobby Sinoni ukuthi nje vele all the hands ahamba nawo uyawacobhozela abanikeza izinto kuthiwa uMihlali nje make wathi nje iziyobisi gijima ayonduzana. Guys, I want you to watch this clip. Musa Khawula, don't lie. Here's the clip.
But then, let me tell you what we also learned. We learned that she's also used to like doing this and breaking stuff at Leroy's office because obviously she stealth Leroy from MJ, so there will always be that insecurity and all of that stuff. So yeah. That's how the thing happened, and then me and my friend left, went and got us a drink, and yeah, but my word. But then me and my friend, we was just wondering, like, is she probably not also like beating Leroy some other days and all of that stuff? Because how dare you want to throw boiling water and want to throw all of these vases and fucking glasses and things on the floor and Leroy's staff is also tired of always cleaning the glasses that Mihlali throws all the time in that fucking office. Anyway, bitch.
Exactly. So uMihlali wayisho lento uMusa wathi abasebenzi baLeroy sebekhathele ngoba kuthiwa yathu iyayihlezi ibhonyana ihlezi vele njalo ofisini yami uMihlali emsebenzini wakoLeroy kuyofa izihlalo kuyofa amakomishi kuyofika amaglasi kuyofa in because uGirlzo usefikile kuyaxatshwana. But Leroy was cheating. Why I'm saying that? Because on Sunday when Mihlali goes Leroy posted a story. There was ithangi eceleni. Mina bengithi la Mihlali ke kanti akuplana noMihlali obeseveza ufaka shothi ngaloko athi ke uMihlali le wona yibamba ifuna ngoba iyafeba wathi ugele ngizongena emotweni ngife nangempela ke wayifikela akufanele nje shini noMihlali acabanga la ndoda kumele ayike xiza ayiphakelwa ngempela. She's a beautiful girl. She can't be associated with this kind of toxicness. She's one of the best influences, but abasasebenzi kakhulu, because bad publicity, like ama-brand amaningi awusasebenzi noMihlali. I haven't seen her doing campaigns. There's new girls, I'm okay nabathatha izinto like Mihlali, like you are the girl, you were the girl, like why manje oh okay yami sekuyibona sebe because ubhizi namadoda ashadile. Anyway, yaba kanjalo ke indaba ke ukuthi uMihlali noLizane waseposta kuMihlali wathi ke hayi into sesisiba njalo phela was the two sides of the story, but she hasn't told us her story, so we only know Leroy's story for now because that's what Leroy has told us. My board members, I'm gonna need you to subscribe, like, and press like, and leave a comment. And yeah, we're gonna keep the stories coming because child as so juicy.